Hello, I am Ramya Bharti. From today onwards, I am going to take science to you. So, first topic we are going to see is fibers to fabric. How we are converting fibers into fabrics. That is what we are going to learn in this lesson. So, let's look around and see what are the clothes we can find. The one which we are wearing, and then curtains, and then mats, and so on. So, have you wondered all these things are obtained from the same fabrics? No, they are obtained from different fabrics. The raw material for making a fabric is fiber. Fiber is a thin strands. When you look at your dress, you can see small yarns. If you take the yarns and started rubbing it, you can see small strands. That is called fibers. These fibers are obtained from both natural and then synthetic materials. So, when you look at natural materials, you can see these are the sources of natural fibers. First, cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are obtained from plants. They are grown from a plant. Next, when you look at wool, they are obtained from animals like goat, yak, and then camels too. Silk are really costly and they are obtained from cocoons of silkworms. So these are the natural resources of natural fibers, and that's why we call it natural fibers, because all of these things are obtained from natural resources like plants or naturals, and then animals and cocoons of silkworms, they are all natural things, right? So when you look at the synthetic one, they are obtained chemically from laboratories like nylon, polyester, acrylic. They are obtained from chemical substance. In recent times, chemistry have evolved so much that we can actually get more things from the chemical substance. Which are the examples? These are the examples of chemical substance that actually we can get fibers from. So let's look into cotton. So where they are cultivated and what are the things we need from cotton? Cotton is cultivated in black soil because it needs more nutrition, and black soil is a soil where we can find more nutrition, and it wants warm climate so that it can ripe fast. When you look at the fruit of the cotton plant, it will be looking like lemon. It is called as cotton balls. After it gets ripened or matured, it will burst open and the cotton will be covered with seeds. We can remove the seeds of the cotton from cotton by the process of ginning. Ginning can be done both machinery and handy. We can do it by hands, but it will take time. So we invented machines to make things faster. So ginning is the process of removing seeds from the cotton. Now we are going to look into jute. Jute is obtained from jute plant. It is actually got from stem of the jute plant. It is cultivated during rainy season because it needs more water. We are cultivating it during rainy season, and it is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam. These are the places where we can find more jute plants. During flowering stage only, we are harvesting this jute plant for jute. What we are doing is, we are harvesting this jute plant during the stage of flowering and then soaking it. In water for few days. So that the stem will rot and fibers will be separated from the stem easily. So this is how we get jute from jute plants. Now we are looking into converting this fibers into yarn. How we are converting this fibers into yarn? By the process of spinning. Spinning is the process which we use to convert fibers into yarns. Because we are using yarns to make fabrics for our clothing. The instrument that we use for spinning is hand spindle, which is called talki. This is a sharp-edged object which we use to twist this fibers into yarns. We are making it by twisting the fibers. We are making yarns by twisting the fibers. And the other instrument which we use is chakra. This is used by Mahatma Gandhi as a part of independent movement. He also encouraged people to use this homespun, which is homemade yarn clothes for daily use. He wanted to promote the homespun. Homespun is nothing but spinning of fibers into yarns in homes. These are the two things that we used to make yarn from fibers. These are handmade products. We are using it by hands. And then we also have machines to make cotton yarns. Then how we are converting these yarns into fibers. We are looking at, so fibers are the things which we use to stitch clothes, and fiber is made from yarn. So how we are converting these yarns into fabrics. Fabrics can be made from two main process, which is weaving and knitting. These are the two processes of converting yarns into fabrics. We'll learn this conversion of yarn into fabrics in the next class. Detail. Get back to you soon.